Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for June 25th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Olivia Roger. In our top news story, the FDA approved GW Pharmaceuticals' Epidiolex oral solution for the adjunctive treatment of seizures linked to Lennox-Gastaut syndrome or Dravet syndrome in patients at least 2 years old. CEO Justin Gover remarked that the approval marks a historic milestone, offering patients and their families the first and only FDA-approved cannabidiol medicine to treat 2 severe childhood-onset epilepsies. In other news, Roche reported that the first interim analysis of the Phase 3 IMpower133 trial showed that the combination of its PD-L1 inhibitor Tecentriq plus standard chemotherapy met the co-primary endpoints of overall survival and progression-free survival as a first-line treatment in patients with extensive-stage small cell lung cancer. Sandra Horning, Roche's chief medical officer and head of global product development, remarked, "The clinically meaningful results from the IMpower133 study add to the growing body of evidence demonstrating that Tecentriq-based combinations may be an effective treatment for different types of advanced lung cancer." Also in the news, shares in Merrimack Pharmaceuticals dropped as much as 34% after a Phase 2 trial evaluating the addition of istiratumab to standard of care treatment in certain patients with metastatic pancreatic cancer failed to achieve its primary or secondary efficacy endpoints. The company remarked, based on these results, Merrimack will not devote additional resources to the development of istiratumab. In addition, the European Commission has approved Gilead Sciences' once-daily fixed-dose triple combination, Biktarvy, for the treatment of HIV-1 infection. The approval was backed by data from 4 ongoing Phase 3 studies, comprising a total population of 2,415 participants. And finally, Pfizer unveiled data from the Phase 3 Paloma-3 trial, showing that its oral CDK4/6 inhibitor Ibrance, in combination with AstraZeneca's Faslodex, failed to significantly prolong overall survival compared to Faslodex alone in women with hormone receptor-positive HER2-negative metastatic breast cancer who experienced disease progression following previous endocrine therapy. Mace Rothenberg, Chief Development Officer of Oncology for Pfizer's Global Product Development Unit, remarked, "While the difference in overall survival narrowly missed the threshold for statistical significance, a high bar for any trial in this patient population, it is similar in absolute terms to the improvement in median progression-free survival previously demonstrated in this trial." To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.